I got your plan open. Thanks for sharing it. The problem, as I see it, let's see. My cameras is turned off. Let me turn that back on. Hope it's turned off. It is turned off. Okay, good. Okay. I drew this one. Excuse me. I drew this line here 80 inches above the stair treads. So you're going to have to remove this wall here and that doorway. They don't fit. And see, you got this stairwell thing starting over here, which is okay, but this wall here can't go there. It's got to be over here and then connect. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm just removing that wall from the stairwell area. See, that's I'm gonna line these up. Yeah, I think that'll work a little bit better. And when you go, see, I removed the wall. Excuse me. Sorry about having to clear my throat a lot. I just have to clear my throat a lot because I got a lot of phlegm that builds up in my throat. So what happens to you when you get old? Okay, see now with this wall removed, you can free travel the stairs that you drew, and you can get there. But you can't have a wall here with a doorway over it because it creates a little room on one side of the into the stairs and a little room and a bigger room on the other side, and it's not workable. Let's go, yeah. So that was the problem. You just had this wall going all the way across, and it can't do that. And and work. Let's look at this on the other side. Where's the camera tool? There they are. Let's see, where's the tilt camera? That it? No, that's not it. That's the one. Now this stair is so steep, I don't think it would pass any inspection because it's over. The rise angle is too steep. Let's open it up. You can see almost 44 degrees. That's a ladder. That's not a stair. But that's up to you as a designer. If you want to try to get that past, that's your business. Just moving the wall from the stairwell opening is all I did, and that's all. I think that's all it was minimally needed to make this more workable. See, now there's a clear path to the basement with this wall being removed here in the middle. Okay? A fancier solution, is this design with a stair here and the living room. The living room's too small. This is your design, but it looks goofy to me. The living room is just a closet with a fireplace in it and a stairwell in it. It makes this room hardly even big enough for a bedroom, much less a living room. And this hall is huge compared to the family room and living room. That doesn't make sense to me, but it's your design. Go for it. I hope it comes out successfully for you. And I hope what I've pointed out on the stairs is helpful to you. Thanks. Have a good day.